Hi you guys, welcome to part 2 of the Tshuaj. So I have 3 more plants to show you that you can use in the chicken postpartum diet, or the Hmong people, the Hmong woman that has been practicing for many years. So I'm going to start with the first one here, okay? Um, this one here is Jawan Doula, okay? And it has such a nice smell to it. What I do now is I dry it during the winter time, during the fall, so that I can use it during the winter time. Okay, and it's such a nice aroma to it. It's so strong. I'm currently trying to figure out what the English name is for this plant, and it's also included in my book called 30 Days of Purification, which you can find on Amazon. Okay, and this is a beautiful plant that I have, and it grows almost to at least 5 feet tall. I mean, such a tall plant. If you plant inside the home, it might be small, but here I plant outside and it's so beautiful. And the next one here is Chaindo. Okay, Chaindo is this plant right here. Okay, and what it does is it just kind of crawls all over the place. It's so pretty, and I kind of grew it right next to my sage, and you could see that it kind of runs over my sage. So next year I'm not going to probably plant it next to each other. And sage is also such a nice plant too. It's also used in the Indian culture or other culture for medicinal use. What you can do with sage is that you could dry it and burn it, and you could have that nice aroma. Anyways, sage is not part of the Hmong postpartum diet, but I thought I'd show you guys that too. Okay, that's part of my garden here, and that's my mother wart right there, and those are so nice for tea as well if you were to just to dry them. So it's very beautiful. Going on to the next Tshuaj here is Macho. Okay, it's so pretty. I mean, the Macho is like it smells almost like celery, and so Macho, the English name is also in the Hmong, my Hmong book that I made. All right, and so there's so many out there. I have the cinnamon. I have some cinnamon mint back there. This has nothing to do with the chicken diet, but anyways, I want to show you that. This is cinnamon cinnamon mint, and the one behind it is the spearmint. So there are 2 different mint. The chocolate, sorry, this is the chocolate mint, and then behind that's the cinnamon mint. So there are 2 different mint there, and they are awesome to put in pho. Okay, and I think that's about it that I have to share with you guys this evening, and I'll show you guys the next part of my garden some other time. Thank you for joining me.